The rollout of Norfolk's new high-speed fiber optic internet service has hit a snag, and now the completion date has been pushed back to this winter. But here's where it gets controversial. Delays caused by third-party permitting issues have slowed down the project, raising questions about the hurdles internet providers face beyond just city bureaucracy. Chris Smith, the vice president of city relations at Metronet, shared that while the company has encountered some unexpected challenges, Norfolk itself has been cooperative and straightforward in granting permits. Much of Metronet's work takes place within the city's right-of-way, public land where utility companies are allowed to install and maintain their infrastructure. However, Smith emphasized that the biggest obstacles have come from other outside parties requiring additional permits, such as when construction crews need to cross railroad property. Smith declined to specify which entities are responsible for these permits, which makes one wonder if these third-party approvals are less transparent and potentially more obstructive. Delays like these are not unusual for internet providers, according to Smith, but they do significantly impact project timelines. Norfolk originally announced plans for Metronet's network back in 2021, aiming to introduce competition to the city's internet market, which has been dominated by Cox Communications. Construction began later that year, starting in the 5 Points neighborhood, and was initially expected to take 2 to 3 years to complete the citywide network. Since then, crews have expanded their work outward in a circular pattern. Currently, active construction is happening near Hampton Boulevard and Larchmont, with preliminary groundwork underway in the Ghent area. Metronet anticipates starting full construction there within the next 60 to 90 days. This isn't the first time Metronet's schedule has been pushed back. The launch of internet service, originally targeted for spring 2022, was delayed to early 2023. Again largely due to permitting complications. This pattern highlights the complex coordination required when building out infrastructure, especially in urban settings where multiple property owners and agencies must sign off on the work. Residents of Norfolk have been eager for an alternative to Cox Communications for years. Many locals feel that Cox has leveraged its near monopoly to charge high prices for cable and internet, with little incentive to improve service quality or affordability. The city even set up a dedicated online FAQ page to address the community's complaints about internet options. Now, Metronet offers a range of internet plans with speeds from 150 megabits per second all the way up to 5 gigabits per second, appealing to a variety of users from casual browsers to heavy streamers and gamers. For example, in the 5 Points area, service starts at $60 a month for a 500 megabit per second plan, an attractive option for many households. If you want to find out if Metronet has reached your address yet, you can check availability directly on their website. But here's the part most people miss. While the arrival of new providers like Metronet sounds promising, the true test will be whether they can overcome ongoing logistical and bureaucratic obstacles faster than incumbents, and if they can maintain affordable prices that truly benefit consumers.